Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the application of Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve the app of Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter the Duolingo app. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.